All right, we got a 2024 Atlas here. This does apply though to all Atlas models. The infotainment will just be a little different. I'm going to show you some things in the infotainment. So let's say you're trying to figure out how much longer you have until your next service, or you want to verify that the service was reset. You can just click on the home button just like this, and the vehicle icon should pop up. Click on that and that'll give you a bunch of options in here. So click on the service button and then you can see it shows when the oil change is due for time and mileage. And we also have some other cool features in here. I always recommend to reset the tire pressures. On the 2024 model, they switched back to direct sensors, but previously they were all indirect. And so once you set the tire pressure, I would always recommend, once it's been set, just to click reset, and that way it relearns, and the option would be right in here. And then in here we also have your start stop, which is so awesome. Turn it on and off, and then on the 2024 there's no dipstick, and so you can actually verify the oil level in the menu. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.